pose, Vrikshasana, and we will increase the counts of holding of the posture. Okay? So you balance on the right leg. Now lift your left leg up. Stay. Join your palms. Once you are comfortable, you may stretch your both the arms up. Tratak is important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come down. Change. Come on your left leg, right foot on your inner thigh. Ideally, no gap between your calf muscle and the hamstring. Knee is in the line of the hip. Tratak. Stay. Stretch your arms. Slowly come back. Relax. Shut your eyes. Samasthiti. Breathe nicely. Now, we again get into Vrikshasana, but our arms will be like of Gomukhasana, crossing our arms behind and interlocking the fingers. If we are not able to hold the fingers, just stay on your back. Okay? So now you balance on the right leg again and lift your left leg up. Now, raise your left hand from above, right hand from below, lock your fingers and stay. Slowly relax your arms, your legs. Breathe nicely. Change. Take your right hand from above, left hand from below, lock your fingers, stay. Very gently release and come back. Samasthiti. Close your eyes. Let's do this everyone together. Uthao, lift your left leg up. Slowly come back. Change. Left leg in front. Dhire dhire go on raising your right leg up. Open your arms. Stay. And back. Breathe nicely. Garudasana. The last posture. So, as you balance on your right leg, we are just doing the legs right now, and you entangle your left leg from front. Entangle around and stay here. Okay? Let's do only the legs. Right leg on the balancing front and left leg uthao. Wrap it around your right leg. Go slightly down, spine upright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change other side. Take your right leg around your left. Stay. Bend your left knee slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Now, do the arms. Take your right hand in front. Left hand को नीचे से लेके बाहर निकालो and join your palms. नीचे से लेके बाहर निकालो. Join your palms. Now, this is your right elbow which is in front. Everybody, yes? So you will balance on the right leg. ठीक है? चलो. Let's get ready. Take the left leg around. Entangle. Spine upright. Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come back. Change. Take your left hand in front, right hand from below. So आपका अभी left elbow बाहर होगा. You balance on your left leg. Take your right leg around. Entangle. Bend your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and come back. Relax. Samasthiti. Breathe. Watch your breath.